Tutorial 3, Tableau Terminology. This tutorial introduces some useful Tableau terms which help you better understand the analytics portal. Number 1, projects. Similar to a folder, projects are ways to store related workbooks and data sources and apply permissions. Here's an example of a project called Retention and Persistence. There are 3 subfolders in this project. Number 2, workbooks. Similar to an Excel workbook, workbooks contain the worksheets, dashboards, and storyboards. If you click the subfolder called Retention, you will see 3 workbooks. This is an example of workbooks called Retention Rate Dashboard Private. Number 3, dashboards. Dashboards are containers that combine related worksheets into a single report. Here's an example of a dashboard called the Northern Michigan University Retention Dashboard. Number 4, worksheets. Similar to an Excel worksheet or tab, worksheets are the individual visualizations that may be in a dashboard or may exist independently. You can go back to the Retention subfolder and click Retention Report to see an example of the worksheet. This worksheet is called Northern Michigan University 3rd and 5th Semester Retention Rates. Number 5, metrics. Metrics can track data points from any number of dashboards in a single location so you can have a quick review of key information. You can go back to the Retention and Persistence folder and click the Retention's Metrics subfolder to see an example of metrics. This Retention Metrics folder contains 3 metrics that show quick facts of retention in 2017. The first metric is created from the last worksheet. Number 6, data sources. When Tableau users want to share data connections, they can publish data sources to Tableau server. When a data source is published to the server, other users can connect to it from their workbooks. If you click the Data Source button, you can find the data source used for this worksheet. To be noticed, data sources can only be used to create workbooks for users with Explorer licenses. Users with a viewer license will not likely interact with the data sources on a regular basis. Tutorial 4 will introduce project organization, which explains how projects in the analytics portal are organized.